Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're reviewing the best PDF online or offline tool, which is the SwifDoo PDF. If you want to try SwifDoo PDF for free, all you have to do is visit the link in the description below and start your free trial right now. If you're tired of slow bloated PDF editors and want a powerful tool that actually speeds up your workflow, SwifDoo PDF is a solid match. It's compact, fast and packed with all the essentials you need to handle PDF documents like a pro. Right off the bat, SwifDoo PDF stands out because it's incredibly lightweight, installing it feels like a breeze, and it barely takes up space on your computer. Despite its small size, it doesn't skimp on features, whether you need to edit text, insert images or merge and split files, annotate, or even apply OCR to scan documents. You can also convert PDFs into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, HTML or image format. It can all do that without breaking a sweat. Editing is a breeze. The interface looks familiar, kind of like working in Microsoft Word, and lets you click to edit font, color or layout. You can even white out text, add sticky notes, draw shapes, or even stamp documents with ease. If you have ever wrestled with badly formatted PDFs, you'll appreciate how smooth this makes everything. One of the real highlights is the built-in OCR. That means you can turn scanned images into searchable, editable text in a snap. Users, especially professionals and teachers, love how this feature transforms their workflow. And it's not just about OCR. SwifDoo's smart conversion tools preserve original formatting so your final documents look right, whether they're generated from CAD files or PowerPoint decks. If you work across different devices, you'll love that SwifDoo supports Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and even a web version. You can add password protection, digital signatures, and cloud integration, and it becomes a truly flexible and secure document solution. Expert reviews confirm it. TechHive gave it a high mark for its intuitive tabbed interface and affordability compared to Adobe Acrobat DC. Plus, it delivers excellent value, especially when you consider its rich features and free trial. Users' reviews echo that praise. On Product Hunt, users rave that SwifDoo is fast, simple, and perfect for both professionals and students. One highlighted how batch processing helped convert or compress multiple files in just seconds. Another review on Medium called it indispensable for its balance and functionality and smooth performance. And here's why it's great for affiliate marketers, because SwifDoo offers a generous affiliate program with up to 75% commission per referral, a 120-day cookie, and full tracking support through trusted platforms like Awin and Avangate. That means you'll get rewarded long after your link is clicked, as long as your referral makes a purchase in that window. So in conclusion, SwifDoo PDF gives you everything you need: lightweight installation, powerful editing and conversion tools, seamless OCR, cross-device support, strong security features and expert-level features, all at a fraction of the cost of major alternatives. Most importantly, for affiliates, it comes with high commissions, long cookie duration and reliable tracking. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review, and please be sure to like and subscribe for more.